Alright, so the other problem you might get, let's say you've sharpened your saw, it's not cutting on angles or anything, but it's going like halfway through and then it's like it's jamming. And the other thing I talked about before, if your oil's not coming through after you've adjusted it, this is where your problem will be. So what you can do is get your chainsaw file or flathead screwdriver, hold one. But you'll see up here, on the end here, you'll have a wee hole. Where are we? Let's just find it here. Well, correction, with your big bars, you've normally got a hole along here somewhere, a little tiny angled hole, and that's where your oil will be let in. But as it is with these little ones, you'll see there's the oil reservoir where it comes out of, and that's your adjuster there, and that goes into the hole for adjusting your bar. But you'll see there what it's actually doing is squirting the oil into the other hole. So just make sure you've got that other hole cleared. You'll see there's a bit of shit in there, so I'm going to have to clear that up. Obviously it seeps through into there, but at the moment it can't even get through because that's all clogged. So just make sure that's all clean. Now, as I was saying about cutting, you'll see here on the bar itself, see if I can get a better angle of this. There we go. Now you'll see the bar has actually got a burr. Can you see that? Right on the edge here. If you rub your fingers on that, you cut yourself. That's why your bar's not going through. See, as I say, if you've sharpened your saw, it's going halfway through and you've got to wiggle and jiggle it and muck around to try and get it to cut through, this will be your problem. Alright, you'll get a wee burr here, and as you can see, like, so slippery, dong. See? The screwdriver can't even slide off the bar. So if you've got that problem, that has to be taken off. And you can do it with a grinder, be very quick. Don't damage your bar. You don't want to keep grinding it, you just want to take that burr off, alright? The other way is you can just get your file, set your bar up somewhere and just go along with a file. Flat file would be better, but if you've got nothing, you've got no grinder, you've got no flat file, but you've got your chainsaw file for your blade, you can just keep running down it. Just keep going like that until you've got the burr off, alright? And that should fix all your problems. Another thing you do want to make sure you clean all this out. See there, this is all gunged up. So make sure you give everything a good clear out, so all the oil, everything's all going sweet. And then you should be back up and running. You should have a saw that should be cutting like a hot knife through butter. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. If it's helped, it will help other people as well work out what's going on. As I say, if you're sharpening everything, it's not going through. This is why. That burr. Yeah. Can you hear it? I should better just slide straight off that. Let's go to a bit where there's no burr. Hey? Actually, there's a little bit just starting right there, but there's no burr here. Slide straight off. That's what you want. You want the things to be able to slide straight off and not grab anything. Okay.